Good morning. Today is Sunday time in Sydney, Australia. As you can see, it's almost 8 o'clock, 7:59 a.m. Date is 18th of December 2022. For the confirmation of the time and date, we go to the New York time and say the time in New York is 3:59 p.m. Date is 17th of December, but Sydney is 18th of December 2022, and time now is 8 o'clock in the morning. Before I go to the chart, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer first. I'm going to show you this. Let me show you this one. About 4 days ago, I announced for the Bitcoin, the direction of the Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is going to go down and hit level TP1 and TP2. If you are interested, you can watch this part 1 and part 2. I'm not going to say this is going to be part 3 because we are already out of the trade in a profit. But on the part 2, I said something that I would like you to listen again if you like. And I said the market would rally up and then would come back and hit the TP2 eventually. So let me reply what I have said to you. If you go to this part 2 on the time frame of I think is 3 minutes 01 or 02 or something, and then you will see what I have said. Let me reply. As you can see, it's 301 I think. Let me reply what I have said. I bring the volume down because the speaker is too loud, and see what I said. But eventually market is going to go up and then it will come. Please, this is what I have said 2 days ago, and we watch together and then we see. Come back and hit the TP2. You can, for your demo account, you can actually mark it up and see what is going to happen. This is American broker, so the Bitcoin is about. When we say American broker, because the price on this chart is based in American dollars, okay, and in Australia the Australian dollars and US dollar are different, okay. Maybe people they think, okay, the price of the Bitcoin is more than that 17,000. Yes, but that is Australian dollar. We're talking about American dollars, okay. $17.183. This is the level market is going to come down and hit that. At the moment, the price is 17,401, and eventually will come back to revisit this level, which is about 17,180 or something like that. But this prediction and okay. Now let me put the volume a bit up for you. This trade was successful. Okay, let me go back to the chart. As you can see here, 2 days ago when we came out of the trade, I announced that market would go rally up and come back and hit the TP2. As you can see, he hit the TP2, which is TP2 here. When market rally up, we got another arrow to sell. So if I was in a trade, I could actually enter to the market and sell it to the TP2, which I didn't do it because already been out of the trade. I'm gonna actually show you something today. Today I'm gonna show you the two indicator, two software that my partner developed, and I always talk about that. This two indicator we only use, and there is one more indicator which is free. You can get them from Google. This one shows when you enter to the market how many people is up and down, and if you enter, the color would change to green or red or whatever color you wanted. This is free, or you can buy it, but we have only two indicator that we use and has been developed by my partner. I'm gonna go to plain chart. This is pound USD and is in 15 minutes. I always use 15 minutes time frame for recording. I can trade 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, 1 minute, 5 minutes, whatever. For the video recording I used the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, this is plain chart, okay, and the idea we have with these two indicators is this: we have one indicator shows hidden support and resistance in the past. The software find those levels which market makers, they have eyes on that, and many people, many trader, they would say this is resistance. As you can see, I show you this. They will say this is resistance because market went and hit this level and bounced down. They are right. There is no doubt about that. But there are other hidden support and resistance that the market maker, they have pending order, or they have a stop loss and other things. And the software we have that my partner developed, he actually makes something very unique, and no one does it. No one did it before, and he give us the level first, and then after that, according to the level, we get a signal to buy or to sell. I show you these two. If I go to the view, if I go to navigator, this is actually what I mean by the this indicator. It says Yahoo. This one is actually give us the level. I'm gonna drag this. I change the color to green and change the color this one to red, and I upload it. As you can see, we got dot, green dot, and we got red dot. These are hidden support and resistance on the past. And then I have another indicator which says BKD, and I change the color to red. I reduce the number to say 2, okay, and I actually, when I do this, we got the arrow. When I got the arrow, it means signal to sell or to buy according to the level. And the idea for this is this. Look, as you can see, it went right on the back all the way through, okay. It doesn't matter what time frame, 1 hour, daily, or monthly, or even 1 minute. You know, we have all the time frame, okay. And the system we use is this. When we got the support and resistance level, and then we will wait. I think I did show you on the Bitcoin before. Let me show you on the Bitcoin. The reason I find this level was this for the Bitcoin in the past, which we entered the trade. When we got the red, let me make it bigger for you. When we got the red, okay, this is for selling, and the idea is this: if the price, we got the red ball here, and if the price is above this horizontal line which I already make, I don't care what's gonna happen. I always wait. The price goes under this, which is this, right? This horizontal. When it goes under, and when it went up, then the trade, we will wait for the arrow, which is, this is the arrow, and then when we enter to the according to the level. So when I got the arrow, I make the first video and the second video because I entered to the trade, because I already had the signal to sell it to TP1 and TP2. And about the TP1 and TP2, I already explained in previous video. You can go and watch them. I'm not gonna make this video long and explain again and again. So the TP1, when it hit, and we got all this arrow, which all they were actually we could enter to the trade 5 times, and then actually this is the 6 times for the TP2. So these are the indicators that we use for trading. If you are interested about how we use it, please refer to those video I have already uploaded, and then you can see these are all trade we did in past. Is live account, live chart, and you learn how to trade free of the charge. So in the name of who, before I go, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer again, and look after yourself and your family, as I always say. This one was part 3 for the Bitcoin, I guess, and a bit the education that about the indicator that we had. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.